Today we are unboxing a new book from Concordia University Press. It is by Colin Ripley, a professor at Toronto Metropolitan University. Let's have a look. Aha! The title of this book is The House is Not a Prison: On the Queerness of Architecture. And this book is not a history of queer architects or of queer architecture. It's not even a theory of queerness in architecture. It's really a queer theory of architecture, looking at architecture from the perspective of queerness. In terms of being a speculative theory of architecture, it's almost a bit of a theory fiction or a theory fantasy at points. But what he is doing is he's looking at architecture from a fundamental point of view. What does architecture do? What is architecture for? And where is sexuality, especially queer sexuality, in architecture? And what he finds is that architecture has fundamental functions of separation, division, and regulation. And with operations like drawing lines and dividing space, architecture separates insides from outsides. And in his discussion, he elaborates on how inside space is often conceived of as domestic space, and it reinforces heterosexual relationships. And so what architecture often does then is it pushes queerness outside of the domestic. The function of architecture is often to keep queerness out. And what's outside of the domestic within modernity and modern society, he explains, is the prison. It's not a memoir by any means, but it's a very personal book. I think it is one of the most interesting and unique books that we have published to date. It was designed by Montreal designer Alans Cruz, and it has a die cut, as you can see here, that looks a little bit like the slot in a prison cell. It also has this glossy, kind of really neutral, modernist gray, institutional color on the exterior. And when you open it up, on the inside, it's got these big French flaps. It's got a full color illustration of Mettray Penal Colony, where you can see groups of prisoners who are actually young boys setting up their beds together. The designer has also really picked up on how the line and the division of space is such an important conceptual aspect of the book. And they have used these lines, they've used the line, I should say, throughout the book in a really interesting way, creating these little boxes in all of the section title pages. You can see another one here, the cellular self. But they've also used a line at each of the chapter subtitle headings, which helps to, I think, create overall such a readable and clean modern design that's really appropriate to the topic, that is also just so interesting and cool. Colin Ripley's The House is Not a Prison: On the Queerness of Architecture is available wherever books are sold. We recommend getting it from your local independent bookstore. You can also order it from our website, which is concordia.ca/press, or soon this book will be available in a free digital open access edition on our open access platform, which is press.library.concordia.ca. Thanks so much.